Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute channel on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram introduced broadcast channels to enable creators to reach their audience in a more friendly and personal way by creating one to many messaging channel. However, while the feature is helpful for creators, it can be tiresome for users, which is why some might want to turn off broadcast notification on the platform. The easiest way to turn off broadcast notifications on Instagram is by muting the channel. First of all, of course, you have to open your Instagram app. And then you can tap on the up right corner on the messages. Now you can open the channel that you want to mute. You can see there's an option on the up right corner, notification icon. You can tap on that. Now you can choose time range that you want to mute for this channel. You can mute this broadcast notification channel for 1 hour, for 8 hour, for 24 hour, or until you change the setting. I will choose until I change it. So the notification from this channel has been mute. If you want to unmute, you have to do like this and just tap on the notification like this, so the notification is activated. If you want to disable the notification or mute, you can choose the options. So that is how to mute channel on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!